while. Been a long time, hasn't it? So what are we gonna make today?
Okinawa donut.
That sounds great. Also known as Sata Andagi. So Sata is Okinawan for sugar, and Andagi is fried. So we're making fried sugar, basically. It's gonna be some flour in there too. So it's, yeah, look, what do we need? You wanna go through the ingredients? So what do we need to get started? All right, Ruby, what do we need for Sata Andagi? Cake flour.
Cake flour.
Baking powder.
Baking powder.
Cane sugar.
Cane sugar. Egg. Egg.
Salt.
Salt.
Melted butter.
Melted butter.
And a little bit of oil for shaping.
Oil, oil, oil.
You ready?
Let's get this party started.
I think that means let's get started. All right, let's do it. Okay.
All of it?
All of it.
Every last bit.
Every last bit. That one. Every last bit. Maybe top. Good job. Look, give me that. All right.
Mixy.
Okay, mixy. Hold with one hand and mix with the other.
I'm mashing potatoes.
You're pretending it's potatoes? It's easier that way, isn't it?
Mashed potato.
Mashed potato, mashed potato. I think it's mixed good enough. What do you think? All right, next up is the egg step.
Now can I do
Yeah, you can crack the egg in the bowl. Make sure you open it over the bowl. Yeah.
My hands are dirty.
Sure are. Now put the shell back in. There you go.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
All right, see you soon. Waiting for you. Your hands nice and clean now?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, next you're gonna pour the sugar into that egg.
Yay.
All right?
All of it.
All of it.
Every last bit.
Every last bit. Good job. All right, let's get rid of this guy. Mix those together. I'll hold the bowl for you.
Thank you.
Okay?
Until it looks like
Until
that.
it's all smooth.
Until the whole color's the same as
Until it's all the same color.
That's your daddy power?
More daddy power. Ready? Here we go. There you go. That's your technique right there. Perfect. Okay. Beautiful.
I don't see the trail.
See, there it is. Just gotta go fast. What's next?
Butter.
Butter. There you go. All of it.
Every last bit.
Yep. Right on the handle. Beautiful. And mix it in. Perfect. Now.
I need it.
That's good. That's okay. Perfect. Next up, Ruby. What's next? What's next? What are we gonna do?
Flour.
Take the flour mix into the dry mix into the wet mix. So dump the whole thing in there. Let me help you. Oh, you don't need help. Good job. All right. Cool. Now, so the trick here, Ruby, is that we fold the flour.
Now I know.
Why?
So the flour gets inside and then it disappears.
Perfect. The flour's got to disappear and it's got to be smooth. But we don't want to mix it too much or else the flour gets tough. And the donuts are going to be dense and tough and dry and bleh. So we just want to gently fold it in. We don't want to work the flour too much. Okay, so we fold over, and just keep doing that until it's all together.
Smells good.
Yeah,
smells like bread.
Oh no, he jumped out.
Can I have some?
No, we're not gonna eat it now, it's raw. So now, after it's all mixed up, we're gonna let it rest for about an hour, and then we're gonna roll them into balls.
I want to.
You can. And then after that, we're gonna fry them.
Are they like Timbits?
A little bit, yeah. Like Okinawa Timbits.
Are they like Timbits?
What's a Timbit?
Looks like this.
Ah, Timbit. See you in an hour.
See you in one whole entire hour.
1 hour later.
But I don't know how long is an hour.
60 minutes. We need our gloves for the next step, don't we? We don't want to get all this sticky dough all over our hands. So next we're gonna roll them into balls. Do you need help with those? Are you okay? Okay, cool. So what we want to do, so we're gonna take a little oil with our fingers and then rub in our hands. Okay? So give me your hand. Now rub together. So it's slippery. Is it really slippery?
Yeah.
Ooh. Now, we're gonna take some of this in our hands and we're gonna roll like that into a ball. Like that, okay? Just roll it, you're fine. Roll, 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 and it's gonna get shiny and smooth. And you can put it on the plate. Perfect. Try some big ones, some small ones, no problem. Okay, now we're waiting for our deep fryer to get hot enough. Perfect, all right, here we go. We'll just do a few at a time so we don't have the oil temperature drop too much. We'll do 4. Push them around a bit so they don't stick to the bottom. Once they start floating, that means they're almost done. Then we're gonna roll them around, make sure the other side is fried. There they are, starting to come to the top. Look at the big cracks. So we want to fry them at a low temperature. This is set to 300 degrees, so they cook all the way through without burning the outside. Once they start to float, they're almost done, and then we can start to see these little cracks, which means they're smiling. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. And once they've been floating for a couple minutes, got nice cracks, we're going to take them out. What did we make?
Sata Andagi!
You made your little snowman like you wanted.
Baby.
You want to show? And then we put the face on top there as a snowman.
No, this is the face.
Why don't you eat them? And tell me what you think.
Yummy.
Is it good? Which one should I have? I'm gonna have this one. Look at that, nice crack, beautiful. A little crunchy on the outside and nice in the middle. A little bit sweet, but not too sweet, right? We don't like it too sweet.
Yummy.
Mmm. Perfect. Still warm too. What about these plates? These are some nice plates, aren't they? Where did we get those?
Mommy.
Mommy made them?
Yeah.
High five, good job. We did it. And we're back. And we're back.
If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ruby? Where are you? Ruby? I hear laughing. Where's Ruby? Where's Ruby? Hey, Ruby. No, take a bite. You gotta talk. No, wait.
Hello. Come here. Come here.
What? Oh, you want me to go away now? Okay. Here we have it. Oh, wait. Well, here we go. No, that's not good either. Everybody laughed at
Good. It looks like Pac-Man. Mommy, gobble up the screen, gobble up the screen.
Oh, silly.
I did it.